Hey guys, Gaurav here. In this video we are going to solve this interesting problem that is on Leetcode sort colors, and we have given an array and we have to sort this array, and this array only includes zeros, 1 and 2. And as many of you already know that this is a variation of very famous problem, Dutch national flag, and we cannot use any library sort function that is given in the node section. So this is not a simple problem, this is a medium level problem, and I'll try to make you understand that. So I have an image for you to make you understand. What we have to do is we will take two pointers. First pointer will be 0 and second will be end. So whenever we come across the zeros, we will swap. Whenever we come across twos, we will swap from the zeros, and vice versa. So let me first write the code for you. So I have written down the code for you, and let me run that. So it is passed. So let me submit that. So now I'll understand the algorithm. So first of all, what we are doing is we are keeping the counter pointer to 0, and whenever we traverse through the array, we increase the counter pointer. Here we are whenever we come across 2, we swap it from the end, and we decrease the end pointer, and when we come across 0, then we swap it and we increase the pointer. So that is how this problem is solved. And we can also use this statement instead of just using end, but it's your wish to use it. So that's it for this video. We'll come across many such problems, and hope to see you in the next video.